Yo, what's up, guys?
I was gonna say the same shit. So we got our ingredients of 8 right here.
So we got 8 ingredients, we got 8 steps, and we're gonna try to do it in 8 minutes.
8 seconds. I'm just kidding. 8 minutes.
We're cutting the kale. Alright guys, kale first because it's very fluffy. It's at the bottom of the blender. It'll blend easier with the water, which I'm getting. Going for something like 16 ounces.
Clean your kale.
Alright guys, next thing is your ginger. You're going to want to get this in the beginning as well, because we've done the mistake of leaving it at the top, and it's going to be really spicy and also hard to blend. So just measure your thumb, let's say right here. So from this line here to wherever it goes, so right there. Just get a little bit below it, this much. Alright, we got 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Ready? Ah, God. Weird, I was like, shit. Oh god. That was hilarious. I was like, how are you drinking that so fast?
Oh. I remember in school, there was some kid, me and him would always race with milks. He'd always win. And I told him, what's your secret? As a kid, mind you, I thought it was the biggest shit ever. But yo, what's your secret? And then he was like, you can't put your drink down. He was like, even if you're breathing, he's like, keep it up there. He's like, you waste time doing this. And I just thought he was so intelligent. Thought he said some profound shit. I was just like, yo, word. That's what I did just now, and I still love it.
I think we're just, I had to find out to just chew. Like, oh god.